Hello, hi everyone. Today I'm here to Golf City to cover the G2 route 2. If you like to know when you come for the road test where to park the vehicle in a Golf City and how to enter the information when you come for the road test, I cover that everything in a detail in a route number 1 for the G2 Golf City, so you can pull out the second video and watch that. Let's not waste the time. Let's go ahead and cover the G2 route 2. The first video, car was parked here at the backside of the building and we went left out of the parking lot. This time we're gonna take our car out towards the right. Once you pull out your car from the parking lot and make a right, and from the parking lot we're gonna be continue going straight ahead up to the first street. And once you reach to the first street, from there we are gonna be making a left turn. Let's continue from here. By following the rules and regulations, once you complete your left turn from here, you're gonna be continue going straight ahead until immediately the first intersection is gonna come, and from here we're gonna be making a left turn. Let's continue. Once successfully you're done making your left turn, and on this road pretty much we're going to be going straight ahead, and we're going to cross 3 intersections, and on the 4th intersection we will be going to make a right turn. So let's continue going straight ahead here. Once you reach to the 4th intersection, from here you're gonna be making a right turn. So let's continue making a right turn from here, and now basically we enter into the residential area. Once you're gonna enter into the residential area here in a Golf City is very simple. The road is wide enough and only few streets are sharp turns comes in here. Rather than that, the road is very simple enough. Once you go straight from here, from the first stop sign is gonna be coming ahead. From there we're gonna be continue going straight. From here, once you're coming straight on the first street coming on your right side, we are gonna be making a right turn. Let's continue. To complete this right turn, and on the first street on your left side here, now we're gonna make a left turn. On this street, when you're gonna make a left turn, examiner can ask you for 3-point turn, uphill or downhill parking here, and also a parallel park. And once you've done these 3 things, then we're gonna be coming out of this residential area. So let's continue and try to complete all those 3 things in here, and then we're gonna turn around our car from the same street. As I always mention, make sure when you come for the road test, always take a proper training from the professional instructors. That way that you can pass your test first attempt, and also you will be building good skills for the driving for the lifetime. So we've done the parallel park here. Now we're gonna pull over here to the right, and then we're gonna do an uphill park. Now from here we're gonna make a 3-point turn to turn around our vehicle. By following the rules, when you've done this right turn from the coming stop sign, from here we're gonna be going left. So you're gonna look both sides once it's clear, and then you're gonna make your left turn. Now we're going to be continue going straight ahead up to the next stop sign. From the coming stop sign, we're going to be making a left turn. Let's continue from here. Once you've done this left turn, there's so many cars are parked on even on this road. So examiner can even ask you a parallel park here, if not at the back streets. So from here now we're going to be continue going straight ahead. As I mentioned, there is a lot of sharp turn comes, and this is a road where you're going to be getting a lots of sharp turns. So carefully aim high and take these turns and continue going straight ahead on this street. There's no any signs gonna be coming ahead on this street now. It's just the turns, and it's gonna take you back to the main road. Let's continue going straight ahead up to the next stop sign is gonna be coming ahead. So So once you keep coming straight ahead after all these sharp turns, from this stop sign now we're gonna going back on the main road, and from here we're gonna be making a right turn. And once you've done your right turn here, from here now we're gonna be continue going straight ahead up to the next intersection. And once you reach to that intersection, we're gonna be making a left turn. So let's continue going straight ahead. Once you're gonna be done this left turn, and then from here we're gonna be continue going straight ahead up to the second intersection. From the second intersection we're gonna be making a right turn. So let's continue going straight ahead and go up to the second intersection. Once you're done making your right turn, and from the second driveway now we're gonna be making a left turn to go back to the test center. Let's continue. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this is gonna help you to understand the G2 route here at Guelph City. Our school is providing our services here in Brampton, Mississauga and Milton area. If you guys are looking for help to get a G2 and G license and like to pass your test in a first attempt, contact our school and get a proper training before you go for your road test. Bye for now. Subscribe the channel to support and drive safe.